In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IBroker in Tradingview. We'll walk through this step by step so you can place trades directly from your charts without having to switch between different platforms. Make sure you're already registered and logged in to both your Tradingview account and your IBroker account before you start, so the connection process goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. Once the homepage loads, log in if you haven't already. Using the same browser window for the entire process helps avoid any issues with pop-ups or sessions timing out. After you're logged in, look for the option called Supercharts. Depending on your layout, this might appear as Chart, Advanced Chart, or Supercharts in the main navigation or on the home page. Click on that. This will open the main charting interface where you'll be doing your technical analysis and, eventually, placing trades through IBroker. Once the chart is open, go down to the bottom area of the screen. You should see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. This is where all broker connections and paper trading options are managed in Tradingview. Click on Trading Panel and a new section will slide up or appear at the bottom of your chart. Inside the Trading Panel, Tradingview usually shows a few popular brokers by default. To see the full list, look for an option that says Show All Brokers and click on it. This will expand the panel and display every broker that Tradingview currently supports in your region. With the complete list visible, you'll now need to search specifically for IBroker. There should be a search bar or a filter field within the trading panel. Click into that search area, type IBroker, and wait for the matching result to appear in the list. If you don't immediately see it, double check your spelling and make sure the list is fully expanded. Once you see IBroker in the results, click on it. Tradingview will prompt you to connect your account. At this point, a login window or a redirect to the IBroker authorization page should appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in to your IBroker account and authorize Tradingview to access it. After authorization is complete, Tradingview should confirm that the connection is successful, and you'll be able to place trades, see orders, and manage positions directly from your Tradingview charts using IBroker.